Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a simple landing page to generate lead for your product or business. So the software I'm using is System.io. System.io is one of the most affordable landing page builder and let's just say an all-in-one sell software for online business owners and creators. So here I am on the page already. So of course I have an account with them already. So what I all need to do now is to log in into my account. So I'm logging in now. Now I'm here. This is the page where I will be building my landing page. So now I have my dashboard here, contacts, then I will have to go to funnel. I'm going to funnel. So I click on create funnel. So now what do I want to, what name do I want to give this funnel? So let's just say I want to generate lead for my online course, uh, online sales secret. So what I will do is I will just name it online sales secrets. So what is the main reason why I want to build the landing page? Here I have the option. I want to either I want to build you want to build an audience, you want to sell directly from the system because you can sell directly there, or you just want to customize, or you want to host your webinar. Now, on the free plan, you can host a webinar free. You can only host one webinar. Now, why I use System.io more importantly is because of how affordable it is, and of course I can do everything on system without I can do everything on the software without using any external system. Of course, if some of the features is not available in your country, of course you can use some alternative, but majorly you can do anything on the software. So I want to just select, because I want to generate lead for my online course, I select build an audience, then I click on create. Okay, now this is currency, these are currencies here. So like, which currency do you want to use? Since I want to use dollar here, so I just click on the dollar, then I press on create, and it's loading. Okay, now here I am on the page already. Now I have options here. I have options here, and then I'll have to select one of the templates. Now, why you have to use other people's template is to make sure that you design something fast. If you're an expert at building landing page already, you don't need any templates. But for newbie or intermediates, always use a landing page, or always use a template. Sorry, always use a template, because it will help you design something faster and very easy. So now I want to select, I want to, okay, let me just choose this. Let me just choose this particular one. So it's loading now. It's loading already. Now the template is here. The template is here, and what I will do is the name, I will change the name to online sales secrets. And then I will just add maybe funnel, like the UR. I just add something like funnel, and then I click on save this funnel step, and then I go to edit. Just watch this video very well. This is no matter the software you are using, these are the steps you are going to take to build an attractive landing page that converts that converts your lead to that converts your visitors to lead. So let me go to edit page, then I click on edit page, because I need to edit the page to suit what I'm selling. I need to edit the page, put my own picture, and then edit some of the word to suit my own product. So here I am, and then of course say build a landing page in minutes. So instead of that, since I want to give out a free copy of my ebook on online sales secret as a lead magnet, I'll just say online sales. Okay, I'll just add something like free ebook. Online sales secret. So I remove this. Then I have is what and I have. So I change the color to red. Yes, I want to change the color to red. Free ebook. Reviewed. Reviewed. The ultimate online sales secret. Then I come to this line now. And of course, they have their own description already. And then you see something like this ebook is here to give you the most up-to-date tips and tricks on how to structure, build, and publish your landing page with Fruits.io. So now what I just want to do, I don't have to go all over doing all this again. What I will only do is just to edit few things there. That is, this ebook is here to give you the most up-to-date tips and trick and how to in this case sell online with up-to-date tips and tricks and how to easily, since I want to how to easily sell online and increase your sales by 200%. Then I remove this. So now you can see I've gotten my landing page. And of course, I need to change the picture here. I need to change the product picture here. So I go here, and then let me check if I have the picture here. If I don't have the picture here, I will go to my download file. Okay, so I search for online income secrets, online business, online sales. Okay. So this is very, very simple. If you know what you are doing, it will take you less than 40 minutes or 45 minutes to build a high converting landing page. And of course, this is one of the high income skill that many people around the world are using. Many young people around the world are using to earn money right in the comfort of their home. You don't have to stress yourself. Just go there, get the template, and of course, with some basic copywriting skills, and then you are on your way to earning massively, no matter what you sell. And is loading. So I have to wait for it to finish loading. I have to wait for it to finish loading. Or of course, you can skip this place if it's taking too long, so that you can just go straight to what you want to watch. It's loading already, and of course, okay, so it's here already. So I just select it here. This is the picture I want to use. So I just select it here, and of course, I move. Okay, so let me go down there. And since I'm using red and yellow, I want my call to action to be so I want to make it red. I want to make it red, but this red is not that red. So let me bring this back here. Oh, Okay. Yes, this is exactly what I want. So now I'm done building my landing page. Now, so these are things I don't really need. So here are things I don't really need. So what I do is I click on delete. I click on delete. So I delete all of them to make sure that the only thing they are going to see the is my product, and of course so I remove this. I will keep on removing them until I have only the things I need on my landing page. Even this section, I don't really need it, so I remove it. Remove these two, and of course, here are the things I need, and those, and they are the only thing I have. Okay, of course, this heading here, I remove it. Even these two, I remove it, and then I click on save. I click on save and it's saving. Oh God. Okay, I'm having a network. Okay, so let me click on save. Now my landing page is saved. My landing page is saved. Then I want to, if you like, you can even preview it before you save, but I didn't preview it. So I'll just save. And of course, if you preview it, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. So that is exactly how to build a landing page. Very easy, very easy, and is a very high income skill that you can learn within this period of time that you are watching this video, and start using it immediately. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any question about building a landing page. Please leave a comment below, ask your question, and of course I will use it to do my next video. Thank you very much.